ni mo lè afford àmọ́ ko wọ́n lè explain àárín yẹn ìdí táwọn lè ṣe lè jayé bí ayé talakamania ni anyway ká dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run ọpẹ́ làwa ń dá ojoojúmọ́ ọpọ́n Àbíkẹ́ Jagaban kan sún sí ní pa kò lè yí ọ̀tá rárá àmọ́ day after day ọpọ́n Àbíkẹ́ ó ń sún sí ni. So we thank God for his mercies, and I'm so glad to have you all online with me too. I can see you all are doing great. You all look wonderful. You look pretty. The guys look handsome as usual. So thank you guys for joining me. Like I wrote out there that I've got a piece of advice for my fans online. Can you please lower the volume of the radio for me? Yes. Can I have some water as well? And you can close the door behind you. Emma Bino Imba ọmọ mi alaluwa ka sọ̀rọ̀ ni o abibo lasi ase ọdún nbe na isire bi ko won si as a good mother yan le ba nse nǹkan mi èmi mo ní nǹkan mi ẹ̀tọ́ mi ni ẹ ṣá mọ̀ nǹkan mi ni ẹ má bandu ẹnìkan báyìí mi di ẹ má bandu ẹ ṣe jàre ẹ̀yin tèmi bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o ìdí tí mo jẹ́ ń ṣọmọ gẹ́gẹ́ wọ́n ní tèmi yé mi tàbí kẹ́yẹ. So we thank God. AJ has embarked on so many journey, you know, in recent time, and is all for the betterment of the show. Like I said in the text message I put out this morning, that we're doing a whole lot of things that's going to help the show. It's going to help a lot of people on this medium. You know, I know some people have got immigration issue, there's some with health issue. So we're just trying to put all information necessary for our fans, you know. We're trying to put them together. I'm talking of helpful informations, and not just information. We're talking of assistance in some, you know, cases. So if they do need assistance, that is, you know, that is something that is required, we will definitely give them. So we are working towards a whole lot of things. How you come on AJ's show with a frown, and how you're going to live with a wide grin, a smile. So that is what I'm working towards anyway. And thank God for his mercies. Things are really falling in place. So that is that there. Thank you guys. I'm sorry that I have not acknowledged you all. Trust me, I'm going to call my fans out and God bless you, sis. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you. I respect you more. So you guys are more beautiful. To those of you sending me compliments, thank you so much. I appreciate your kind words. I really do appreciate. Thank you. So that is why you have not been seeing me. Aside the fact that I have been asked by some, you know, notable Nigerians, notable aunties, notable people, I'm talking of dignitaries from our country, that I need to ignore a whole lot of things going on social media. You all know the reason why I'm going to be quiet is because I am a humble person. Naturally, I do not like to disrespect the people that I hold in high esteem. So I'd rather listen to them and let this fight go than, you know. However, I am not going to deviate completely. I'm not going to turn my back on my vision, because I've told them that I am how to fight for the people. I am more like a freedom fighter. I am a blogger. I'm not going to take my vision away. I'm not going to take my focus completely away from this vision because I wanted to listen to them. I'm still going to be doing my thing, just like I wrote out here today, that a piece of advice for my people all around the world. And for those of my fans that are non-English speaking audience, kindly pardon me. I'm going to run today's show mostly in English language, so bear with me. Emma Binusi mi gbogbo yin ni mo miss you. Ejo mi loju gbogbo ẹ̀yin admin mi pátápátá. Ẹ̀yin admin mi, God bless you. Guys, you guys have been really wonderful, you know. You've done excellently well while I was away. So thank you so much, guys, for your support. To my executive members as well. I'm talking of AJ members, the executive ones. Those are the ones that participate in so many things, you know, going on. Like the people that come out to talk, I want to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you. In the person of Sister Naomi, Polo D, Wanola, and so on. To those of you, you know, that have been coming out to talk, to speak out your mind freely while I was away, I want to say a very big thank you to all of you. You guys are the best. Sweetest, Detola, sweetest, Sister Detola, you know I had to big sis. Same with God Will, Otumba Akwewa, Uncle Kolade Dowu, Kudirat Alowole is one of them, even though she's not part of agency, she's my person, and she has always supported us because she's been, in our shoes and she knows how it feels like. So I want to say a very big thank you to you guys. You guys have done tremendously well. You've been doing so well since I was around and since I wasn't around. So I'm back now anyway. So we are back to the show, back to the game. We're still going to be running it the way we are running it. We ain't going to be frightened away by anyone. No one is going to petrify us. No one is going to terrify our kids on this medium. We're still standing against cyberbullying. We're not going to take any form of bullying from anybody. So, I'm sure you're all aware of what is going on in recent time. I've been reading an article. Thank you so much, Naomi Odunton. Thank you, sis. Thank you. Thank you, Olasil. So, I've been reading articles. I've been going through messages. I've been attending all kind of meetings while I was away. I'm not just, out of the game just like that because I was in Nigeria. No. Even when I'm on holiday, I still try and carry my people along. I follow what they do, even if I'm not around. So I have an idea of what is going on while I'm away. So I'm so sorry, guys. If you think I've not been doing enough, don't worry. We're going to cover all that we have missed. So pardon me there, okay? Trust me. Oh, yes, I did enjoy myself, Falake. Thank you so much. It was fun. It's always fun when you're back in your own country, isn't it? So I had fun. It's always fun whenever I see that airport, man. Oh, thank God, Abike Jagaban is back home. Ilela boss in your coin, le pussy, ilebo. All my Camilla Motebi, Peluadani, Adamo, Yofo, Tombi, Pelu. I love my Jare, and Jamon that says you confess or Silu, you go back to John Motan to shake the Fulatile. I will be there more Badura, Bosch, Lonia, Lora Milamilari, and Rabu, Coma Pada, Motorito Pada, Ubo, Papa, Leponi. Abike Jagaban, Sibia, when you want baby. We miss you so much, just like you all will miss me if I decide to go back permanently. So guys, I am a likable person. I am wanted everywhere I go. I don't do attache, trust me. You see me when I went to Bamia, they were still doing my thing. Rather, the most spirit by the beach, could it have more spirit? Shine, shine, baby, characteristics of Rade. Give more shine on the beach. Rather now, I just see June. If I go Jackson, Jakutu, Jaju. Anyway, I want you on to go here in case there are more. Very soon, we are cooking the project. And the project is going to be out soon. It's meant to be a surprise. I don't want you guys to know yet. But you can always address me now as Ambassador. Ambassador Abike Jagaban. You know what it means to be an ambassador? When you are given all those ambassadorial tasks. You know what I mean? When you are given all those ambassadorial tasks to do and you pass it. And you do it as if you did not even do anything. They are giving me kudos. You deserve to be this ambassador. You've done it excellently well, so you deserve to be there. Okay, add to your title. Now you are ambassador. Because I have been able to mediate for my country and another country, in between my country and another country. So this peace pact thing is in between two countries. We are not even back home in Nigeria anymore. And a lot of things are going on abroad. And it's affecting our people. And remember, I always tell you, wherever we are, we cannot afford to drop that our flag. The white and green flag. Ìdókúdó yìí náà ni bí ó bá sì ṣe mí bí dídó a máa bá àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó máa mórí pípé wá sí ọ̀sán yìí kò bá onídídó dé jù bí ọ̀rọ̀ tá a fẹ́ sọ lọ́sàn yìí. And you guys should not forget, my birthday is still coming up. The birthday is coming up on the 9th of September. That's next month, 9th of September, in the next couple of weeks. And you all know we have Ashwebi for the birthday. So, and like I told you all, it's not just a day to celebrate Abike Jagaban. It is a day to celebrate all freedom fighters, all survivors, of this attack, We have all been victims in the hands of Esabot. And it's not just about me. This woman has been a bully for ages. She's been bullied. Sorry guys, I cannot pick any call now. Yeah, thank you for adding it. Ambassador Alaja Yeye Jagaban, that is the new title. So I don't care about who is listening, how much others on my way are. But then, We all have been victims in the hands of this bully of a woman and a bandit. When I say a bandit, I mean in likes of Bukola Evans Jesse, Anamayo Wabisi Wellington, Bolaji Ekin, Folashade Elolagatin, Kola Wale, whatever shit, you know them group like that without Kwame shit, whatever, Pause and Ponder, Dill Williams, all those bullying thing on social media. Well, like, they told me about her video. The video she did this morning, was it early this morning or yesterday? I didn't watch it because I stopped watching that a long time ago. I don't watch them anymore, including that girl, Moro Fayo Olani 77, the daughter of the late magician, the gambler, Olani 77. That's the girl called Ayo. Remilekun 77, right? So, I'm going to mention them. You know me, I'm never scared of them. They love to blab. They love to brag. They are goofers. The goof, they hype themselves unnecessarily. Abike Jagaban, Amapani, Niko Sobitimowa. Ingbadoma Lokpa, àwọn politician Nigeria, àwọn tó máa pa wọ́n máa wá bí kan wà, wọ́n máa rí fúnra wọn nítorí pé wọ́n tó fọ́n. Wọ́n ní fọ́n, wọ́n dẹ̀ ní nǹkan. So they went searching them out before they assassinated them. So if anybody wants to assassinate me, like Moron Fayo said that she's going to assassinate me, she's going to kill me, I just wonder why she needs to ask me to give her my address. You can locate me yourself. Ayo 77 Olani. Why are you asking people to give you my address? You can locate me yourself. If you're that big in Nigeria, if you're that influential, you do not need to ask anybody to send you my address. Kingpin don't ask for people's address. They go hidden just like that. I was expecting you to come after me like you threatened in Esabot show that you were looking for me, you needed my address so you could kill me. Anyway, I'm available now. I'm still in East London, in UK, so you can come after me to kill me like you threatened, you and Bukola Jesse. So I wish you guys all the best in your endeavor. Come after me. I'm ready for you. So that is that anyway, but I'm going to be talking now generally about Esabot, right? So people, I don't want you to get frightened because of this woman. I know a lot of you have been liberated in recent time. I don't want to be fighting her anymore because people have been begging me. But then we're going to be doing this, sensible talk show about her and how to subdue her attacks, against innocent people. So we all know that we live in a law-abiding country. She also lives in a law-abiding country. That's where she lives. She lives in a law-abiding country, which is Ireland, Republic of Ireland, Dublin. So there are police there called GADA. Police are there. This is UK, another law-abiding country. There are rules and regulations that bind things around here. There are things you don't do. You don't just kick against the law. Like what Folashade did the other time she went all the way to Polodi's house to attack her in a residential home. This is UK. There are things she don't do. Number one, she calls herself a women empowerment CEO. I wonder what she empowers when she had to launch an attack on an innocent lady for coming up to stand, for our rights on social media. They have been the one bullying Polodi for doing her job. We all know Polodi on Snapchat and what she does on Snapchat, and she's done successfully well in that field. The reason why these people are suddenly uncomfortable with her is what I still don't understand, and why they have to take the fight, some 10 miles further by going to her house to attack her physically in United Kingdom. And we all saw Buki Jesse's post a few months back when she said, well, she feels like killing me. She wanted to kill me. And we all saw Pause and Ponder when I came back from Nigeria. I'm sorry about that. It wasn't flagging. Someone was actually trying to get across to me on what. We all saw where Pause and Ponder wrote on our wall, I have everything kept. Pause and Ponder is affiliated to Esabot's account. She knows who is running all these evil accounts. So when they said they stopped her in the state, they accused her of being a bully, and then she called Lafunki and other bandits to defend her, to say, oh, she's not a bully. She is, of course, a bully. She's been a bully for ages before Abike Jagaban came into the scene. Esabot has been a bully for more than 5 years, and we all know her victims. Amongst those are Naomi Oduntombayas, We have BJ Bolaji that lives in Dublin because she's been playing it cool in the state there. I know she wouldn't want to do any video because she knew that she's been under surveillance. She's under surveillance. They are watching her. They are watching a wall, right? And she's there pretending, forgetting that she's dealing with intelligent body. We're talking of the United States of American Police. They know what to do. They know how to find out about her. There has been existing videos that she's done in the last 2 years before I even came out at all. There's been a lot of people she's been slandering that, like that her friend called Mommy Nike. Esabod was the one that posted her daughter's nude picture on social media. That the girl was sleeping with several men and that was just a Photoshop. And then she went demanding for a huge sum of money from the mom so she could remove the picture. That's blackmailing. So she's been in this business for so long. We were there when recently she also blogged a little baby, a minor, during the saga of one guy called Sheikh Wajai and his girlfriend in UK. And Esabod had to put the new baby's picture on our wall. She had to demand for some huge sum of money from the family of the lady to take the picture down. That's blackmailing. That's what Esabod is known for. She's a blackmailer. She goes about blackmailing, she slanders, she libels, she assassinates a whole lot of people's character. And she's been in this business ever before I came out at all. So you see the reason why we cannot afford to be quiet. When you have the law involved, when you have police, when you have the right people involved, you see, there are things you don't have to be afraid of. Yes, they will come after you, they will launch an attack on you, they will spoil your car just like they send people to vandalize Polodi's car. It ain't gonna stop us, it ain't gonna keep us quiet. And then the police are watching each and every one of you. No matter how you try to pretend that you've not been doing this, remember you're dealing with intelligent bodies. They are not just gonna take it from the surface. They are gonna dig it out from the root. So don't think you're going to do some things and you will go scot-free thinking you can sweep them under the carpet. Hell no. The Metropolitan Police in UK, they are far more intelligent than that. The police in America, in the States, they are far more intelligent than that. They ain't just going to sweep everything you tell them about us, you know, under the carpet and feel, oh, she cannot go in. No. They will do their research on you. They will do their findings, and when they eventually find out who you are, you may have to face the book fully, alongside all your bandits. I mean your cohorts. They're going to suffer with you. Dapada Abike resides in the States. Esabod, you blocked a minor daughter. You put the picture of the young lady, a daughter, the minor, on social media, on your wall, on your blog, for so many months. More than 8 months, you put the picture of that young child on your wall. You try to destroy the minor in the bid to destroy the mom. Dapada Abike had done nothing wrong to you, aside the fact that she was kicking against this indiscipline on social media. A lot of people are not happy with you, Esabod, because you have been in the business of blackmailing, of slandering, of libeling people for ages. So ever before I came into the picture, it was when Abike Jagaban came into the picture and I saw what was going on with a whole lot of people with you that I said, no, it's got to stop. It's got to stop. And the only weapon you keep using is, I have one for my friend, which is my own private business, who I fight behind. I'm still going to fight like 100 friends if I choose to, if they are not nice to me. So forget about that. I don't delve my nose into what does not concern me. You see, Bukky Jesse is another blackmailer, another slanderer, another bloody bully that lives in Manchester. And Bukky Jesse is well known for her evil activities as well. And that is why a lot of people rose up against her in Manchester to say, Bukky Jesse is well known in the business of bullying. We all saw what Bukky Jesse did to a lady called Rashida on social media when I first came out. The lady was the one supporting me. Bukky Jesse picked on her. She goes about like that, picking on people randomly and threatening them with immigration. Oh, you are talking about me on social media. I will make sure you are deported. Forgetting the fact that our sister, Moyo Soreto, is more like an illegal. It was the guy called Marcus that did a paper. You forgot how you arranged everything, denied the real father of Moyo Sore's baby, Bayo. You denied him the paternity right over his child because you wanted Marcos to do paper for Moyosore. We never came out to use that against you and Moyosore, your sister. But each time people say something negative about you on social media, Bukky Jesse, you pick on them, you start threatening them that you're going to hand them over to immigration. You do not have any right to hand anybody over to immigration, Bukky Jesse. There's a fucking threat on social media. People should be allowed to live their life. The immigration in this country are aware that they have a whole lot of illegal immigrants living in the United Kingdom. And you know what? They don't just pack people and throw them back home like that. They're going to review their case. There are a lot of illegal immigrants that are here. And the immigration department are even aware that they live in this country. They contribute to their tax, regardless of their status in this country. They are the ones that are even making more money for UK. By the time they review their case and they see that, okay, they are only using some people's name to work, they might have a reconsideration over their case and allow them at least to remain in the country. That is what you don't know. So you don't just go doing some evil to some people, Bukky Jesse. You are well known for doing that. And remember that video you did is on your YouTube. You said, oh, you are advising people that are always threatening because they have red P. Have you forgotten you once said that in the video that you used to patronize me not to do video for Esabod? You also said it in that video that it's not good for people to be threatening. Now, your threat is at your own favor. The table has turned around to your favor. And you think you can just go threatening people with immigration status? No. No police, no immigration officer has called you, Bukky Jesse, to start picking on individuals in the country for them, because it is not your job to do that. So that I want you to get straight into your head, Bukola Jesse. You live in Clayton. You need to stop threatening people with immigration. Okay? You don't do the immigration job for them. You are not an officer. So you should leave them alone to live their life and leave the decision of their status to be decided by the bodies that are legally involved and not you as an individual. I don't think it's your job to do the immigration job. So you should stop threatening people with immigration status. Stop telling them, or you will make sure they deport them back home because they are having their freedom on social media. So Bukky Jesse is another person that we have to label very well. We have to let the government know that she is a bully on social media. My world is open for everybody to look at. It's open for the police. It's open for the immigration people. Right? Because I'm not doing anything wrong here. I'm only fighting for people that are voiceless. The timid ones. The people that's got no confidence to face you bully team. You guys need to stop. Now the American State Department, they are aware that Esabod Sokumba Shabiaboderi is a bully they have a file. If you like a million of you can tender my own case in that department. And you know what? That is why they are called the intelligent body. They're going to find out what I do really. They're going to take it beyond where you guys expected. And that's it. They won't act like non-entities like you people. It is their own job to do their findings. They are intelligent. They are not morons. Right? If we once caught a thief and we say, okay, oh, this is a thief. And then somebody goes to them and says, oh, she's not a thief. Look at the person that called that thief. She's the actual thief. You think they'll just leave it there? No. They will take it above that ground. They will now impute their own technical energy and experience into it, and they will find out who the real thieves are amongst you guys. So you see, they won't just go like you people and say, oh, because somebody said she's not a thief, they now turn it around to call that person bully. You can label me as bully. You people cannot like me. How can you like me? Because I am fully against bullying on social media. You guys have been bullying children. You Bukky Jesse, you once put Kudirat Adonialowole's daughter Oyiko's picture on social media. You see, it is what you're doing to people, they are now doing to your son. And I am glad that we just talked of intelligence body. Those are the body that will find out who are bullying you guys' children back. I would never be a party to that. I don't do it. Right? Moyosore, Ayo, Olaniyi, 7-7, Omo Baba Gambla. You know what you have done to people? Because you have been the one doing Mutinkechi. You have destroyed so many people's lives on social media. And you want to go scot-free? No, girl, you won't go scot-free. They're going to find you out. I'm on your case. All of you. Seriously. I might have been quiet for a long time, but I tell you, I'm working. So you can go eating, you can keep threatening, you will pour me acid, you will kill me. I saw all your messages, Mo, you're sorry. I'm a Baba Gambler. Moba okay, sepe wani wamo, tani babe, ni ti mo babe. Motiwana ni gbogbo prominent people, mi ori. Because now, when you guys wanted to threaten Bolly Ray's family, that's the guy, the vulnerable guy, the Afolashade, whatever she told you, the guy that she's been using as a carer, the guy that you all think you are fighting against for sleeping with her niece, the guy that never raped anyone, that you guys are really kicking against for no reason. When she wanted to use the guy as a carer, then none of you were there. But now that all her evil scheme has been discovered, you all have been kicking against this guy, and you have actually given his case to Esabot to bully him to silence. Because you all know what Esabot does for a living. She's a blooded blackmailer. She is a bully. And the government are aware of this one. She's got police, reports here and there. She's got case with the Gada. She's got a lot of, reports from people. The United Kingdom Metropolitan Police, they are aware of her. People can go to Woolwich Police Station, they should go to West Ham, they should go to Stansted. They've made all kind of reports against her. So before anybody will rise up and say, oh, we're going to report Abike Jagaban, you better be really ready. Get the videos where I have slandered and let them know what I do. That I am more like a human rights activist. I am a blogger. I am the CEO of No Cyberbully on social media. This is what I started with, and I have all my videos kept. I've got all my evidences. I've got all the pictures where Esabot slandered me, where she said my legs were amputated on Tokumbo Tosabot. That was what she posted early this year, if you guys remember, where she said my legs were amputated, where she said I was smuggling cocaine into UK. She has gone ahead to slander a whole lot of people in the bid to fight me. What has Kolade Dowanimashan done to your kingpin Esabot? Why has she been bullying Kolade Dowanimashan with his kids, minors? So we want the United Kingdom Police to look into this. They need to really dig deep into this matter and unravel all her evil scheme. She's been like this for ages, ever before I came on social media. It was when I came on social media that I said this had to stop. It was one of the reasons why one of the notable bloggers called Kemi Omololu Lawyer, why she closed down her Facebook and her YouTube account then. She has once been reported last year, and Kemi Omololu Lawyer successfully closed down her account because she was a bully. So if the United Police have to look into this, and the American State Police have to look into this, they have to dig deep into our history, which we are more than willing to give them. Right? We are more than willing to give them all the information needed. Fine, a whole lot of us has been hurt, and we've been thinking of how to eat back in the same measure. How to give it back to them the way that, because we are human. We've got blood running in our veins. It's not every time someone slaps you, you say, oh, I'm going to report you to the police. There's some people that are just naturally temperamental. Right? And what Polody did when Polody came to your hotel was not bullying you. In case that was the video you've been presenting. Polody actually came to make herself available to you because you threatened to kill her. You threatened to kill her, and she's been pushed to the wall. And then she said, okay, you said you've been looking for me, Esabot. This is me, and then you saw her physically. Remember your statement in the video, Esabot, when you met with Polody. You said, come nearer, let me give you the beating of your life. You keep saying, Polody, why are you running away from me? So if she came to bully you, she would have been the one to tell you to come nearer to her. She only kept saying in a video that Esabot, stop bullying people. Stop bullying people. Enough of this social media slandering against innocent people. That was all she kept saying. So if there's any court of law that is going to judge this, we're going to bring forth our evidence, we're going to bring forth our lawyers, and they're going to defend this because you have frustrated her to a point, and then she brought herself to you to say, this is me physically. Then do your worst. Right? You've been petrifying her. You've been bullying our entire family, You've been bullying Polodi's entire family, including our mother, our innocent daughter, a minor, a 10-year-old girl. So the lady said, well, you have treated her enough, so this is her. Do your worst with her. Right? What did Dupe Godwill do to you as well? Dupe Godwill resides in Dublin with you. You have blocked our son alongside Bukky JC. That's another tout, hooligan, a talk that's got nothing to offer life but to lose. Right? That's another bloody bully that lives in Manchester. And she works with NHS. How she gets to work with NHS, we still don't know with all these activities going on social media. So you guys, you have to think twice before you kick. Right? Think twice. Think very well, deeply. When you're dealing with intelligent body, it could take them years, but they're going to find you out. That I know. That I can assure my people. So to whoever that is still out there, crying and looking for justice, don't worry, we're going to get there. It might take time, but this intelligent body, they will do their findings. And when they eventually do, oh my God, your bandits are going to go out there crying for help. Same with you. Show you. I'm going to do the party at Odeo, and the Mama Abike Jagaban, you do more of fire, Baba, only Tete, Baba, only GBC. Baba Gambler, yeah, I said it because I met history, so I can come. Police will not stop me from calling your father a gambler because that is what I know your father to be. A bloody gambler is what your late father was. Right? A swindler. People that dupes people. A pedophile. That's what your father was. Olani 77. Yes, the late gambler. Someone on fire. Stop threatening me that you're going to pour me acid, that you wish to kill me. Come looking for me. Send your assassins to kill me. This is me. I'm back in UK. Gio was to me, girl. Okay? I'm waiting for you. So that is one there. Now, Esabod needs to tell us what Kolade Idowu's children, his children now, has done to her while she keep blogging those innocent children. What has my own children done to Tokunbo Ashabi Abodere? What has my children done to you? You put my children's picture there. You put my children's picture. We were all here. We have all. You see where you exhibit this your foolishness on social media is you talk and you can't remember you talk. No, you remember you even encourage Ruth Nkechi. Oh, you can go blogging all of them, which tells the police that you are fully aware of who Ruth Nkechi is. Remember when Moron Foshi Ayo Olani 77 said, Mama, so you said it openly, that why can't she continue blogging all of us, slandering people on social media? That is domestic violence when you come out here to slander people, to destroy people's reputation. It is an offense, a criminal offense, in case you don't know. So when I come after you guys, I know why I'm fucking coming after you guys. And I ain't gonna drop my guard until you all face the book. Yeah, you have to face the book. You talk too much. Your own is too much. You are all empty, retired, and somebody just needs to send some senses into those porous brain of you people. Yes, somebody needs to put you right. You're really overdoing it. Look at the woman. You stigmatize Tokunbo Ashabi Abodere, yourself and Bukky JC. You stigmatize an innocent woman that resides in America. Because Auntie BC Alonge, you call that a cancer patient. Do you know how many people are living with cancer in this world? Esabod, you have no right, virtually no right at all, to stigmatize anybody with such ailments. You stigmatize people with HIV. You even lie on some innocent people that hasn't got HIV. Abike Ade, she resides in America. So in case the American State Police are watching me, if you need me to pass you information, I'm going to give you information. I'm going to give you some logical information that you all just have to +1 + 1 and then you get your answer there. Because these people reside in the States. It was boldly written on a blog with Esabod, with her name there. What she wrote about these people, she posted it on her wall that Abike Ade is HIV positive and she hasn't got a womb to birth a child, and it's all false information. So this invariably can be termed as domestic violence. Because this is what she's been doing to people, and it's quite unfair. You don't just go slandering people that's got, some clean CRB. When she pick on Nurse Ellen is another beautiful career woman in this country. Ellen Ogun Dimu. If you need her information, I'm going to pass it on because she slandered Nurse Ellen as well. And look at you people, when I fight you all, I don't just come out and pick on people. You have to tell me the people that I have actually picked on that are not my victim. I have come out to disclose Folashade's shady deals, how she's been flying everywhere with fake credit card. Yes, I said it. So I expected the police to contact me so I can give them the information so they can go after her, search her out deeply. If she cannot defend it, then she's definitely going to end up in jail. Because I will make sure they trace it. They will trace it. Definitely. I mentioned the fridge freezer because when they say I slander, I do not slander people. I only make statements of facts. How you have been buying stuff on credit card that are not yours. Shade and Buki Jesse. And that I mean. So that's not slandering. I don't pick on innocent people. You can never see me say, oh, I pick on this one. Bolaji Ekin has been writing all kind of shit about me, saying I was going to die, she was going to kill me, which was the reason why I found her out. I brought out her dossier. How she's been a fucking drug addict from Nigeria. That's Bolaji Basira Embassy. So you can never tell me that I pick on people. It's not my style. Why would I want to pick on innocent people? But what you guys are doing is not right on social media. You don't just go after innocent children because you are fighting their parents. And this parent you're fighting has done virtually nothing to you as well. The reason why somebody is picking on them is because she feels they are not a fan. They are not supporting her. Why would you do that to people? Everybody has a right to life. We all have rights to that freedom of speech. It is my citizen right to move wherever I choose. Come after me. You don't just come after me because I wanted to be where I wish to be on social media. That's not right, Esabot. So now you pick on that woman that you accuse of having cancer in America, which is Antibisi Alonge. The state police in America, they have that report. They have evidence that you actually bullied an innocent woman because she is my fan on social media. She has done virtually nothing wrong to you. You blocked her, Esabod. You blocked her children maliciously for no reason. Because the woman chooses where her rights should be on social media. This is where her heart falls with Abike Jagaban. She doesn't want to watch your show. She hasn't done anything wrong to you. She has not left you any derogatory remark. So why are you coming after her and her children, Tokumba Shabia Boderi? Why have you been chasing after Eniola Oke's children? She's got twins, and you know what you've done to the twins? You have actually posted their picture on your wall, on your blog. And you see why I am not scared for you guys to close down all my Facebook accounts. Why? Because I know I am 100% out for you. I will always come back and back and back and back again. Right? Until justice, a proper justice is done. If we are living in a law-abiding country and we cannot explore what we have available within the society, which is the police protection, then why are we abroad? We are not in Nigeria where you guys can send hooligan or some assassin to kill people just like that and go scot-free. That's Moyo Sore, Moyo shit, whatever her name is. Ayo, Olaniyi, Omo Baba 77, you know Shogbo Totiku, Omo Baba Gandla Onitete. Writing boldly on the wall that she's looking for me because she wanted to kill me. I have a comment screenshot. I have it. If the police want it, I will present it. I've actually presented it somewhere anyway, so let me not just start on dodging what is not dodgeable there. You know me when I walk. I will present you that radical part of me, and I will present you that literate part of me. I'm not an illiterate, I'm not an empty brain like you guys. No, I am more red. So I'm going to go really technical with you guys now. And when I feel like doing my radicalism, I will still bring it. You know me. To ba gun mi ma fo ohun si ni koko emi mi gbese ran ya àti bàbá ẹ mo yo so re. O yo Abike no pe ọmọ bàbá gambler, ọmọ bàbá oni tete. Ìwọ tí bàbá ẹ kú, tete pedophile ni bàbá ẹ kú sínú hotel. Ìyẹn ọlá ní 77. Èmi rò pé o máa lé wá sí ní kó wá pa ní kò yẹ kí dé London tó ló ti ń béèrè address mi tipẹ́. Ó yẹ kó ti rí ni mo lọ party fẹ́ kú ní Nàìjíríà. Àṣẹ tí ẹ lé ẹ̀rọ bẹ́ ṣe ń fẹsẹ̀ alẹ̀ bí ṣínà Rambo aṣọ tí ẹ lé ẹ̀mí rẹ̀ ò gbé ó wá lọ ń fẹsẹ̀ alẹ̀ wo ó lé rárá àṣírí ni mo gé fún ẹ yẹn Ayọ̀ Ọláníyì 77 ọkọ ẹ tó kọ́lẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ tó lú tó bá yé ẹ̀jẹ̀ l'Amẹ́ríkà everything now is loading ni ṣé you get Bukky just said recently you have got to put your friend's picture lie there on about the 1414. We all know what you are up to. Bukky Jesse, you are such a bloody bully as well, and you need to face the book. Yes, because I'm going to bring all my evidence against you. The reason why I called you a bloody rogue is because you have been living on credit cards that are not yours. You have purchased a whole lot of things on this credit card. This country will find out how much you earn. You know me and Karani, acho back on lacho, mi pempele loturi, imo Dubai lo, busy one Kara ultimo ke Primark ni penny sini, ije wo designer ife wo rara. Bí bá ti lọ something park tí mo lọ gbọ́ gbogbo àwọn panda yìí kí wá ń tèmi ọmọ lọ́mọ. Ani tí bá yo ma le ju ya ẹ lọ. Gbogbo ká múra ká talking gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ jati ara èyàn yẹn kọ́ ni kíní rárá. Òyìnbó ṣaṣọ kò ṣe fitting. You don't go after people, stigmatizing them, intimidating them for no reason. So Bukky Jesse, you have been well known for that bullying heart in Manchester. Remember what you did to your sister-in-law, Monica Osim, recently. You threatened that you were going to kill her daughter right on social media, live, on a live video. Who does that in the law-abiding country, Bukky Jesse? Who does that fucking shit, girl? Toro ko to ba ki gbogbo wa múra wa kona kalura wa pa ni wọ́n ti nílùú ya ẹ pa ni wọ́n ti lù ẹ́ pa but ẹni tó bá ní ọgbọ́n ní orí nínú yín ẹ wò pé ìlú tó lófin lẹ́wà. This is a law abiding country, not where we all want to exhibit our muscle. O rò pé yan ko wà tí ó lè flex muscle, o rò pé yan ko wà tí ó lè kasha de mole kon no ya ẹ fọ́ lójú wọ́n pọ̀ jù bó ṣe ẹni tó bá ní ọpọlọ kò ní ṣerú shit ẹ̀yin máa ṣe yẹn, right? Any Tomani would not do it. This is a law-abiding country. You're living abroad. You're not back home in Nigeria, where you just go eating people, killing people in the house, or probably threatening them on social media before carrying out the act. It's totally wrong, right? So Bukky Jesse succeeded in bullying a whole lot of people out of Facebook. You see, when people hear, they say, hey, me, if I love them, me, if I can't blog me. Now, a lot of people are ready for you guys blogging. Nobody even notices if Ruth Nkechi still exists or not. Who noticed the about the 1414? Why? Because you have all been tagged so well with this evil act. People are getting over it. My people are no more traumatized. We are all ready for the law to take its place. Now, okay? So we're going to roll with you guys like an intelligent set of people. Another way we used to tackle you guys. Because I am a freedom fighter. I give my voice to the voiceless. I don't care what you guys are going to do to me. I will keep fighting on and on until it is over. Until that number one head of yours is brought to face the book. Yes, she needs to face law. She's done more than enough damage. All the damages she's done to people, it is time for her to be paid back, and she better be ready. So those of you that lives in America, I don't know, you all heard where the party is going to take place. It's taking place in a school. We have children there that attend that school. So that some people don't go back looking for somebody in that school and eventually hurting little kids. Why should she have a party in a $250 school? That's how much they pay for the hall in that school. She's money mania, remember. I thought they should be somewhere in Miami. In some 7-8-star hotel. Celebrating birthday of the richest woman, the woman that threatens everybody, the woman that intimidates people on social media. She calls everybody wretched. Yes, they're having the party in a school, a primary school. We have minors, we have children that are attending that school. So for the people that Esabod has hurt so far, if they go looking for her, and those little children are there, innocent children, and then there will be some kind of commotion in the school. Because when you're looking for a thief, for a criminal, for a rogue, you go searching everywhere. And that might frighten the children that attend the school. So for those of you that live there, you all know what to do. I am not scared of anything. This is me. I have been to the United Kingdom Metropolitan Police severally because of Esabod. I don't have anything to hide. The fact is she's a bully. And she needs to face the book, seriously. So that video of Polodi with her, showing it to the police that Polodi actually tried to bully her. How can Polodi bully you? When police are not there, the police heard you telling Polodi to come closer to you. What were your intentions? No, tell us why you were asking her to come closer to you. So the police are intelligent, but they're going to ask who is calling who to come closer. If Polodi were to attack you, she would have been the one to come after you, probably give you a punch, snatch your purse, or spray you something, dangerous. No, she did not. She only said, Esabod, stop slandering people, stop defaming people on social media. That is all she did to you. So you cannot tag her as a bully. Even the police cannot tag her as a bully. Because there's a limit to human endurance. She was practically fed up of you, and she feels the right thing to do is for her to make, herself available to you, that you should go ahead and do your worst woman, which was exactly what she did. She made herself available to this bully of a woman that you have been threatening me, you've been threatening my mother, you have been bullying my daughter, my innocent daughter, you've been bullying my husband on social media, and your bandits have been threatening to kill me. So here I am. Kill me if you want to kill me. Do your worst with my body. That was what she did. And I expected you to pull a rifle into Polodi's head, because you actually threatened to kill her. So why didn't you kill her so we could have a case here? And Amayawa, Bisi Welitiniyola is another person that has been bragging all over social media that she was going to kill me. She was going to kill Polodi. Can the intelligent body, the police, can they ask you all why you've been chasing people about with sudden death, with attack? You're going to kill them, you're going to do this, you're going to do that. Do it! Probably when you get one of us shut down, because no one is scared of you anymore. Seriously. Then the police will know what is at stake. Why they have to give these people full protection. Because it is their job to give all these people protection. And we ain't going to be quiet until we get our citizen rights here in UK. Because we reside here. We reside here. So we are entitled to that protection. They have all the evidences. We've given them all the screenshots of the things you've been saying to people. So you guys should come do your worst to people. You are all low-lifers that's got no life. You've got nothing to offer life than to ruin the ones that are beautifully made already. So now you are in the States and they detained you for hours. Were you scared or what? You shouldn't be scared. Have you forgotten how you used to traumatize, intimidate people? How you stigmatize the sick ones? I thought you're not influential. I thought you should have told the American police to shut up because you are the kingpin of this bully team on social media. Or you couldn't control them to let you go. Oh, sorry, woman. Where was all those wit, that power of yours? Where is your influence? Why didn't you tell the American police, oh, can you let me go because I'm Esabod? I'm the chief bully on social media. It didn't work that way. So sorry for you, woman. They are gathering every information needed so they can fight this cause for us. So there could be justice. You don't just do this to people and go scot-free. So you had better get yourself a very good lawyer. When Lafunki was threatening her ex-husband on social media and she did not succeed, what did she do? She gave you the case to bully the king in Nigeria by Eselu. What was our Eselu's offense? Because he took a picture with Abike Jagaban. Everything I do makes you guys cry. It makes you well, and I don't care. I'm going to keep doing things that's going to make you well for your entire lifetime. Because I don't care. I know my sources. and my failures will always make you cry. I don't see you laughing. When Buki Jesse put on a word that Polo, this car has been destroyed, and she was faking laughter, I only smiled. How I wish you know how much you're going to cry at the end of it all. Because you're actually going to cry. I know you're crying right now, girl. So you don't come out to fake laughter to people. We all know you are crying inside. And you know what we are doing? We are smiling. Because we've never had the chance to smile this good before. No one has the confidence to face you fucking bulletin before. Now all my team are facing you. They are giving you word for word because we refuse to be timid anymore. We found our voices. The less confident one are now confident. They are not ready to die, even if it's going to cost something. We all are ready to war for war. Right? I told you I read history and international relations, and we were taught how to judge, how to war to achieve peace. So this is what we are doing at the stage we are now. War for war, jaw for jaw, just to achieve peace. We don't care what we're going to lose in the beat. Okay? So get yourself ready. Get your evidences ready. Because we have all our evidences well secured, recorded. So we're going to see who is going to lose at the end of the day. Esabod has been known. She's been well known. Very well known to be a bully from day one. She's been bullying BJ before I even came to social media. So to whoever that is out there that is supporting this woman, you will all face the same thing someday soon. Your children will face the same thing someday soon. When somebody saw they are jealous now, look at her. Even if it's the ordinary Ankara that I wear every day, that she's been up to. She should wear it. Let's see what a fashion icon she is. Why would anybody want to envy or jealous such person, such personality? What has she got? She rubalode lo ndeni, aboju e lo fan ju temi lo, abo lo ni ju mi lo, abo le bo mi, ade ebo enu eni mo fe envy. When empty heads talk, loaded heads, they do what? They keep calm. Wọ́n ní tọ́lọ́gbọ́ yín bá ṣe bí ẹni gbọ́n, òmùgọ̀ tó bá ń bẹ́ẹ̀ máa ń bá wọn ká lọ ni. So tẹ́ bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ń lanu sọ̀rọ̀ jákàjàká tẹ́ ń ṣe játijàti, ẹ máa rántí pé ẹni tó mọ̀ gbọ́ ó wà pẹ̀lú yín dáadáa. Àwọn ọ̀kan ràn yín nítorí bunch of idiots ní gbogbo àwọn tẹ́ kó dúró síbẹ̀ yẹn. Àwọn tí wọ́n lè jà, tí wọ́n máa wá hide under Esabod pé màmá ẹ bá wa bú wọn dáadáa, ẹ bá wa ṣe kinní kan, àwọn náà kún lọ́dọ̀ yín. It shows how weak you all are. You don't go after minors, after little children for no reason. Even for reason, you don't go after them because they are minors. I would never be in support of anybody fighting minor through their mom. Or fighting mom through their minors. Why would you post a child's picture on Instagram saying rest in peace? And then somebody is in full support of a living child that is not there, that there's nothing wrong with. And she's in support of such child being bullied and stigmatized with HIV. These are the things you guys have been doing. We all heard Esabod when she was actually labeling one woman's child as being, what did she call the child? The cerebral palsy child. She called the child a disabled child. So when you do this to people and you think people cannot talk, that was why a guy was prompted to call Buki Jesse's son a disabled child. Because she went beyond that boundary. That was why Muiwa called you, your son, disabled. So when you throw stones, you should be ready to take $1 million back. Right? And the fact that people have been throwing stones back in the same size does not mean that law will not take its place. You guys need to stop it. Stop it completely. Because when you want to say someone is jealous of you, you better add the things that it takes for someone to be jealous of. Because I don't see what you all have got. The reason for jealousy, for enviness, from my team to your team, oh no, people, come on, you need to reassess yourself. Self-evaluation. Check yourself what you've got. What you think people are envying you for. What have you got? What have you achieved so far in life? Education-wise? Monetarily? In terms of life achievements? What have you achieved that will make people envy you? Is it this dead woman that has been dead for ages? She's been taking a whole lot of toll on people because her husband left her, which is Esabod. Why do we have to pay? Because Gaddafi left you. You've been so uncultured to the man. You've been really evil to the man that left you. That was why he left you. Why does it have to be our own business? Why does everybody that is in AJTM have to pay for Gaddafi's sin or whatever it is you're having against your ex-husband? You have frustrated the man enough. You frustrated his life. He has reported you to the police. The police are fully aware of what you're doing to Gaddafi, your ex-husband. So you think they are crazy? They are not crazy. It's not that we cannot give you word for word. But when it becomes a vendetta case, then it's gone beyond our power because it's become a vendetta case. So when it is a vendetta case, we should go straight to the police and let them know what is happening. And you know what? You will face the book. That I can assure you, you will definitely face the book. You have slandered a whole lot of people in Nigeria as well. Politicians, individuals, private bodies that has done virtually nothing wrong to you. Why? You wanted Governor Yofayoshe to say something back to you so you could blackmail him and give him your charges. Okay, go and pay this in my account. I will stop talking about you. The man ignored you. You wanted Isiaka Ajumobi to come and pay you some huge sum of money so you can start mentioning his name. They all ignored you like you don't exist. Woman, you are known to be a blackmailer, a bloody blackmailer, a bully. You are a threat to so many people's lives on social media. Remember that woman you stigmatized that she had cancer. The woman said yes, she has truly had cancer in the last 10 years because she has beat the cancer. She is a survivor of cancer. So you see, there's nothing you can use to stigmatize her anymore because she's a survivor. You never know what is going to hit you down someday, woman. All of your team, all of you. Buki Jesse, Lagatin, whatever, all of you. You never know what will come across your way tomorrow. No one envisages sickness, right? So you never know what you gonna face with life. These are, natural challenges. It's natural for anybody to fall sick and die. But there you are, you stigmatize the sick ones, you stigmatize the HIV patients, even the people that are not HIV positive, you still tag them as HIV positive on social media. Example is the lady called Abike, the one you stigmatized last year with HIV, and she is not an HIV patient. And you lied on her on social media just because she is a fan of Abike Jagaban. She is a fan of Kudrat Adunialowole. You accuse her of going to comment. If anyone tries to comment freely on social media, on Facebook, you go after them. It's not done anywhere, right? You don't do that to people. Let the sick beat their sickness and come out of it alive without you having to stigmatize anybody out there. Tokumba Shabiabo Dering. Moro Fire. Olani 77 Ayo. Girlfriend Ido Wuni London ni mo nba wi o ID. Mi fẹ́ blog e ma ID nítorí pé yan mi ni ID. O ti pa ọkọ ẹ. O ti fẹ́ pa ọkọ ẹ Owala Ojela tó lé kúrò nle. Nígbà tó fọ́ kan mo lé lórí. O ti ní criminal Kinotin pe case already. Criminal record ní America pé o fogo moko ẹ lórí o pass out. Ìyẹn kó jáde fún ẹ, ó sá fún ẹ̀mí ẹ. Right? So you've been known as a criminal. Yes, Moro Fire buried face wọlé kò gbọ́ ọmọ bàbá oní tẹ́tẹ́, bàbá Olaniyi 77, gambler, Toku, ìwọ ni mo ń bá wí. Bàbá ò make any impact ní Nigeria. Mo ti White Street bàbá ẹ lọ láàrin ọ̀sẹ̀ kan tí mo lò. Mo ní ẹjọ́ o, ẹ̀yin èèyàn ta ló ṣe pipe yìí síbi ní 90 kìnnìkan. Ṣé Olaniyi 77 bàbá gambler wọ́n ní rárá o. Mo tún lọ sí ìlú Òṣogbo para. Ẹjọ́ títì tó wà níbí báyìí. Ṣé Olaniyi bàbá 77 ọmọ bàbá oní tẹ́tẹ́ ló ṣe? Wọ́n ní ta ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹjọ́ ṣáwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ní amúnigbọ́rọ̀ ní ẹbí ẹran òbíyẹ tán níbi yẹ fọ́jú ọ̀tún ẹran ẹ̀ fọ́tòsì. Àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n àǹtí ẹ̀ tán jẹlà, àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ tán jẹlà, àwọn ọ̀wàlà jẹlà nú ẹbí yín. àwọn ni mo ṣàánú Ọlọ́run mo rí ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀yin lórí KLM ẹgbẹ́ ọkùnrin tó di dàda pupa yẹn Ọlọ́run àjọdé kò ní mo kọ́kọ́ wò báyìí pé ẹni ẹlẹ́ni ló ń gbé ẹrù ẹ̀ tí ò mọ nǹkankan yìí àmọ́ tó wá máa fi bàbá yín nù wá fi nù pàtí nǹkankan ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀. Yes, you are a bloody bully. You've got very sad history. Your dossier is so dirty. Your father is a nobody in Nigeria. Let the police record this because you keep coming to social media to say, oh, people shouldn't talk about your father. When you don't want people to slander you, you don't go slandering people, you fucking moron. You were the one that's been acting as Ruth Nkechi. You lied up people, you slander people. You threaten people on social media and you think you can go scot-free and Bukky Jesse. Bukky Jesse is a nobody, she's got no family. Kò sẹ́bi tó rún sórí Evans Jesse tìyẹn ti bàjẹ́. Kò ní ìran. Gbogbo ayé àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ tó ti bàjẹ́ Manchester. Màmá díà òrù tó lọ gbé sórí kíní gbogbo wọn ọ̀run ẹ̀ wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé ẹranko ní Bukky Jesse ní ẹgbẹ́ kan bẹ́ẹ̀. Náà mo rán forí burúkú 77. You've been doing all kind of video for me. I listen to them and you know I can be daring. You don't fucking threaten me, idiot. Because you know I won't succumb to it. No, I'm way tougher than that. You don't dare it. When I said don't dare it, do not dare me. I read all your comments where you said you're going to kill me on social media. I read where Pulse and Ponder said, oh, somebody should give her Abike Jagaban's address because she wanted to kill me. That she's going to send some Jamaican guys to stab me in the ribs. I have everything presented to the police. Okay? I'm not going to act like hooligan, like tout, like the toggery that lives in you guys. No. I humbly differ from that. I'm a gentle lady. I can come out to go raw and entertain my fans, but I don't do things out of proportion. I work with law, right? I'm so brainy, clever, smarter than what you guys think. And I ain't gonna expose myself to unnecessary risk, seriously. But if you want to take your extra time to come and hit me, come and kill me like you threatened, I am available. Abiola died for his people. But then, his justice not done. We are all enjoying what we call what today? Democracy, because Abiola paid the price. So come after me, and this is Europe. It's not back on where you guys just stab and go scot-free. They will find you out, and you know what? You're going to end up in jail for the rest of your life. You will cease being a mother to your children. You pay the price for being a bloody thug, an assassin. Because that's what you are. That's what you've been threatening on social media. That you're going to kill me, you're going to send some people to stab me in the ribs. What about a Japanese fit on you go on me when he master of my people in Moko Babalaku Baba Nino Koto Tobe? I'm not a label in office. Oh, be meta liary. Timaki Kori Baba, Olani 77 fun. Oh, my Yirapada Nino Koto, my way, Yakara, John Major, me for money. Tori Akofe, Mark Yama, what's a Jagambla? Abani Modani, Babe, Fin Ban, when you to finger 77. Babe, or they all break Polara. Only Yawa Babe Shepo. I want Yama Keke, Babe, Shekini, Tore Punikere. Pedophile, Babe, your father was a pedophile, a fucking pedophile. Right? He's got a lot of 16, 15-year-old wives. He took them as wives then. They were kids. Some of your stepmother were taken in at the age of 15, 14. He labeled your father as a fucking pedophile. If he were to live abroad, he would have died in jail. Your fucking father called Olani 77 would have ended up behind the bars abroad. Because he slept with a lot of underage children when he was alive. So look at me deep in the eye. Come after me. And I will tell you the history of your father. In case you were too young to understand what was going on. I will go after Oshogbo people. Your people will be the ones to sit me down and give me the dossier of your late father. So look at me. You know I'm not that soft. You don't ever try threatening me. No one dares it. No one threatens Abike Jagaban and goes scot-free. I ain't gonna take that. You stack illiterate. You want jello, wala, so me mula, you know me. You think of hobby. You want my baba? Yeah, do animal pe baba e. Yeah, do animal pe baba to bi e. Emi ro pe Dangote ni baba e. Ogbagba to ngbayan, o le nla. Baba gambler. Aso ti e le. Ṣe video tó bá wọ́n ẹ fún mi. Ó mọ̀ pé tí n bá dákẹ́ mo kàn dákẹ́ wò ran ẹni. Ìjọ tó bá gùn mi sí ẹ. Wallahi ò ní enjoy yìí. Èmi ni wọ́n bá wí pé wọ́n wá bí tèmi wà lÉkòó kan wá lọ pa èmi. Ẹ jẹ́ kó wá lọ pa ní èmi rèé. Kò pẹ́ jù fún ẹ náà. Mo ti padà sí UK in case ìtọ́wé ò bá ká mi ní Nàìjíríà. I'm back here because of my people, because I won't allow you people to do this to my own people. You need to stop bullying Moron Fire 77. You were the brain behind Ruth Nkechi, and that was why you were so unrested. You were jumping about. You slandered so many prosperous people, career people in United Kingdom. You did that to the ones that live in the States as well. Slandering them, libeling them, assassinating people's character on social media, on Instagram. Precisely. Moron Fire 77, you with Bukky Jesse. And the other Ruth Nkechi, the first one I caught, she was a member. She called me that she has desisted from such acts. She will never try it again. The fair one that attend that woman's church. Yes, when I come after you people, I know what I'm saying. I'm not a fool. I don't act out of context. I do my findings, and when I come out to talk, you should be 100% sure that she knows what she's saying. You people are so used to such life, slandering, defaming people's character. It's you that knows everybody's story. Your friend told you that you destroyed her life in America. Do you know what you did to her? No wonder you say you don't like Abike Jagaban. Who fucking give a multiple fuck how you feel about me, idiot? I don't want to know you. I don't know you. I don't mingle with people of your class, Moron Fire. So why tell everybody on social media, I hate that girl. I like you. I don't even know you. And I don't want to know you. Okay? So you look at me deep in the eyes and tell yourself, oh, she actually despises me. I despise you so much. Equally. I don't know you. You know what I did to you the day you called. I was silent for a long time and you were asking Polo D, is Abike still there? And I said I'm still here. But not there for you, moron. I only hung there because Polo D insisted I listen to your dumb statement, those stupid, dirty comments, drooling words coming out of your mouth, your slimy mouth. You don't even know how to lie. You are such an idiot. Look at the things coming out of your mouth when you were talking. Everyone can tell why you were on that foolish woman's wall, that you were the Ruth Nkechi. Because we asked you what you stand to gain and what you stand to lose, and the reason why you were so unrested, going from wall to wall, calling everybody, calling Kudi Dollar for Papa. Why? Answer for me. Oya koju ti e. Oya koju ti e bo se ba ya àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ káàkiri. Ayọ̀ 77 àbúrò Ọláníyì 77. Àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ kan ṣe pastor àti ìyàwó ẹ̀ gbogbo wọn. Gbogbo àwọn ẹbí ẹkún l'Amẹ́ríkà mẹ́rin tá bá ní ká máa pe orúkọ gbogbo wọn ṣe nǹkan ò ní bàjẹ́ ni. I can call out all their names. Gbogbo àwọn ẹbí ẹ pátápátá mo lè máa pe orúkọ wọn báyìí kí n máa pè wọ́n jáde. Ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ tó ṣe pastor Ọláníyì 77 ní church ní Chicago gbogbo wọn. Tí bá ní kí n máa pè ọ̀nà àbàjẹ́ torí pé gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tí bàbá ẹ̀ bílẹ̀ pátá ẹ̀kẹ́ tó bú bàbá bọ́lí rè ẹ kọ́kọ́ chẹ́ẹ̀kì ara yín torí ìgbà tí ìyá yín ṣẹnu yánganyàngán tó lóun fẹ́ bú Òdùmọ́sù Ọláníyì 77 kí láyé ẹ̀ fi sàn ju bàbá tẹ́lẹ̀ fẹ́ bú lọ àti ẹ̀gbọ́n pa yẹn polówó torí bàbá tiẹ̀ fowó ta tẹ́tẹ́ tán ni ó fọ́lé owó bowó jẹ́ ó ta gbogbo nǹkan tó ní jẹ lójú ayé ẹ̀ bá ogún kankan at the same time tá mọ bàbá ẹ̀ ṣé pálásì ni bàbá ẹ̀ kọ́ fọ́ba ìlú yín ni àbí títì ni bàbá ẹ̀ ṣe nílùú yín àbí omi ni bàbá ẹ̀ kọ́ pé kọ́ máa mú o ẹ̀rọ omi lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ torí adélu yín àrí pàtì bàbá ẹ̀ a ní kí ni contribution Ọláníyì 77 wọ́n ní kò sí yàtọ̀ sí pé ó bà àwọn ènìyàn nínú jẹ́ lọ gambler ni ó gbá àwọn èèyàn left and right pedophile ni ó fẹ́ àwọn ọmọ àwọn tí wọ́n ti tó age marrying age ó dó wọn lóyún ọmọ wa kúnlẹ̀ rẹ́kẹrẹ́kẹ́ ìwọ lánú gbàgà òun sọ̀rọ̀ kò ní yé àwọn tó bí èmi Àbíkẹ́ mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ má tọ́ mi o torí tí n bá dákẹ́ mo dákẹ́ o ẹ mọ̀ pé mo má padà wá bá yín tó bá ṣogún ọdún ní Àbíkẹ́ pa mo ṣe rọra ṣe ọ́díò yẹn fún ẹ fẹ́ẹ́rẹ́fẹ́ ara nìyín èmi ò mọ rán yín iṣẹ́ ìyá yín tí ó mọ sáré kiri tá máa ṣe bí èèyàn gidi kọ́ má bàa ṣe kí ni kọ́ má bàa blọ́ọ̀gì ẹ blọ́ọ̀gì mi ẹ ṣe nǹkan tó bá wù yín fún mi ẹ ṣe játijàti ẹ ṣe yánmayànmá tó bá ṣe wù yín ẹ ṣe bó bá ṣe wù yín ẹ má tanra yín Abike Jagaban ò kí ṣe ẹni tó máa sá lọ fún yín I am a peace ambassador I am not going to rest until you leave my people to rest because your dossiers are all terrible gbogbo dòzí àwọn gbogbo yín látòrí Fọláṣadé ẹ̀wọ̀n bí yẹn lọ ṣe máa ń ṣe my this thing is so clean I don't have anything to hide ìgbà tá unravel ẹ̀ ǹjẹ́ ó clean òun ló dirty jù láyé yìí gbogbo jókòjò yẹn ìjọ ẹni tó ti wà frustrated òun ló kù ìjọ ẹ̀sìn orí pépà tó sún èmi Àbíkẹ́ mo yá gbọ́n pálí mi mo yá tún bá gbèrè mi lọ sẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àṣìṣọ́ ẹ tí mọ̀ mí ìran yín báyìí mi lọ́dọ̀ ogbó èkó ni gbogbo èkó fẹ́ràn mi náà ṣe ń dó mi ògbó tó wà pàlátébù ni wọ́n ń dó ògbó tí ó bá wà pàlátébù kò lè rí kọ́sọ́mà tó bá fẹ́ gbọ́ ẹ̀yin náà gbé tí yín jáde ká tẹ̀ bóyá àwọn bọ́ ìsàdó yín ẹni tó bá wá sórí social media tó bá bú báyìí tó bá léyàn do ọmọ yẹn jẹ́yàn gidi ni o àwọn èèyàn gidi dẹ̀ náà máa tún do àwọn tó máa ra tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì tí máa sọ pé mo fẹ́ wá sèkó lọ́la jọ tó máa dédé ní tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì 2,000 3,000 bájọ́ ọmọ mi ṣeré lọ àwọn tálákà mania ayé tálákà mania dùjù àná jẹ́ kí ìyá yín mọ́ni mania náà jẹ́rú ẹ̀ ẹ dúró dè mí ní gbogbo bí tẹ bá mọ̀ láyé yín ẹ dúró dè mí Àbíkẹ́ ń bẹ̀ mo máa ń sọ fún yín ẹ dúró dè mí èmi náà bá yín bẹ̀ ara wájú yín kó má sáré púpọ̀ jù ní torí èrò ẹ̀yìn máa tó bá ní kíákíá mo dẹ̀ máa sọ fún yín pé tẹ́ ẹ bá gbẹ́ kòtò sílẹ̀ tẹ́tẹ́ nílé lórí tẹ́níkẹ́mi Àbíkẹ́ wá sùn lé Bàṣírà àní gbogbo náà tẹ́ ẹ bá dálẹ̀ fẹ́yẹ gúnúgún ẹyẹ míì náà fi ń sun Àbíkẹ́ mo ti sọ gbogbo ẹ̀yin àṣebàjẹ́ ò ní gbà yìí láéláé orí yín ni babaláwo tẹ́yìn gbójúlé ó ti jèrè lọ sábẹ́rẹ́ ìyàwó babaláwo Àbíkẹ́ rọra máa wọlé máa gbẹ́sẹ̀ ní kọ̀ọ̀kan ọmọ tó ń sọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ oníṣègùn tẹ́yìn fẹ̀yìntì ó ti jèrè lọ Kàlàbá kò má níkù Alábíkẹ́ yìí ó níkù Tolúlọpẹ́ kò má níkù ó kú tì ní àjà ó kú tì lájà abẹ́gbọ́ wà láyò.